Let's review. First, the Japanese cedar-infused beef steak. Make floral cuts in the shiitake caps and boil carrots cut into floral shapes. Make incisions in the naganegi. Season the beef with salt and pepper, sear, and slice at an angle. Arrange the seared beef and vegetables on a damp sugi sheet. Wrap in parchment paper and bake. Garnish with watercress to serve. Now for the vegetarian tofu steak. Cut the momen tofu into 2 cm thick blocks. Season with salt and pepper. Dust with flour and sear. Arrange on a sugi sheet with the vegetables, wrap and bake. That's it. Why not make these extremely delicious steak dishes using a Japanese secret that no one needs to know about?